Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal overnight. This easy guide will show you how to prepare a delicious and healthy breakfast with minimal effort. You'll need just a few simple ingredients to get started, making your mornings much smoother. We'll cover everything from the basic components to creative flavor combinations, ensuring a perfect meal every time. Now, let's talk about making your overnight oats truly delicious. You can sweeten them naturally with about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey, adjusting to your taste. For a warm touch, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg. Don't forget to include your favorite fruits, like a handful of fresh berries or some sliced banana, for extra flavor and nutrients. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to combine them. Pour everything into a jar or a sealable container. Make sure to stir it all very well, ensuring the oats are completely covered by the liquid. This step is crucial for the oats to soften properly. Then, simply place your container in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally, let it chill overnight for the best texture. The best part is, your delicious overnight oats are now ready to enjoy straight from the refrigerator. No cooking required in the morning. Before digging in, feel free to add some extra toppings like a sprinkle of chopped nuts, a few more fresh berries, or a drizzle of honey. This makes for a perfectly balanced, healthy, and incredibly convenient breakfast that will save you precious time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.